Good afternoon, everyone. Today would most probably be the last class for the trigonometry word problems. In the afternoon, I'll be giving you 5 assignments, and I would hope and I would expect everyone to solve the assignments and send it to me directly. And if all of you can solve the assignments, I won't be posting new videos of the solution. But if at all one or two of you require the explanation of the assignments, I would post the video of the solution. So for today we have this question. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h. At a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom of the flagstaff is alpha and that of the top of the flagstaff is beta. Prove that the height of the tower is h 10 alpha by 10 beta minus 10 alpha. So this is the question that we have. So let's start with the diagram. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane. So we have a vertical tower. First of all, we have a vertical tower. So let's assume that this is the vertical tower which stands on the horizontal plane. And is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h. So there on top of the tower there is a flagstaff of height h. So this is the tower, this is the flagstaff. At a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom of the flagstaff. So at a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom of the flagstaff. So this is the bottom of the flagstaff. So I'm going to just draw this, and the angle of elevation of the bottom of the flagstaff is given to be alpha. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff. So top of the flagstaff. So I'm going to just draw from here. Top of the flagstaff. So this angle is beta. Now let's give the name of the points. So A, B, C, D. So this is the diagram that we have for this question. Now let's write the given. So let's suppose let A, B be the tower. Let A, B be the tower. Then angle ACB equal to alpha, angle DCB equal to beta, AD equal to H. So these are the given that we have. And always remember, this angle is 90 degree. So now let's start off with one of the right angle triangle. You can start with any of the right angle triangle. Let's start with the smaller triangle. So in right angle triangle ABC, in right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. So you can always separate the figure to make your solution easy. So this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is alpha. And the other triangle would be like this again, but now this would become D, B, C, and the angle would become beta. So you can always break down the diagram. So now coming back to the triangle, right triangle ABC, 10 alpha equal to AB by BC. AB by BC. If you want, you can cross multiply on this side. So let's cross multiply. BC 10 alpha equal to AB. Then take this to the denominator. BC equal to AB by 10 alpha and call this equation 1. Now let's take the bigger triangle. In right angle triangle DBC, so DBC, right angle at B. So this is the figure for the DBC if you separate the figure. So 10 beta equal to BD by BC. Now cross multiply again, so you will have BC 10 beta equal to, it is supposed to be BD. So now if you look at the figure, look at BD. So BD can be written as BA or AB plus AD. So I'm going to separate the length of BD as AB plus AD. So this is BD. Now using equation 1, we have to write the value of BC. So the value of BC is given to be AB by 10 alpha in equation 1. So instead of BC, I'm going to write AB by 10 alpha into 10 beta equal to, now AB is the height of the tower, AB, plus AD is given to be H. Now AB into 10 alpha, AB 10 beta, AB into 10 beta, and the denominator 10 alpha, when you multiply it to the right hand side, it will become AB 10 alpha plus H 10 alpha. Now we have AB here, we have AB here. So put these the terms with AB on one side. So I'll continue here. So AB 10 beta minus, on transferring this to the left hand side, I will have AB 10 minus AB 10 alpha equal to H 10 alpha. So as you have already transferred AB 10 alpha to the left hand side, you will have only H 10 alpha on the right hand side. Now looking at these two terms, we can take AB common. So AB common, 10 beta minus 10 alpha equal to H 10 alpha. Now AB, take this to the right hand side, which is a multiplication on this side. It will now become, it will divide the right hand side. So AB H 10 alpha by 10 beta minus 10 alpha. So this is the answer of this question. So AB, which is the height of the tower, and if you look at the question, it says prove that the height of the tower is H 10 alpha by 10 beta minus 10 alpha. So we get exactly what we need. So when it comes to solving this type of question, we have the answer in the question itself. We need to bring this. In case along the process, if you get any step wrong, you will never get this value. So I want all of you to take this online class very seriously, and some of your friends have not signed up yet. I think some of your friends does not know about this online class yet. So I would request you to inform all your friends and make sure that they look at the video and learn the questions, and make sure that you solve the assignments on your own. In the last 2 days, the assignments that you have sent me, I'm quite skeptical about the solutions that you have posted or you have sent it to me. So I could see that some of you are actually getting help from somebody else, so which is not required at all. If you don't understand, you please tell me that you don't understand. We'll find a way for, I'll make sure that you understand. But I don't want you seeking help from anybody. I don't want you, anybody solving your assignments. You have to solve the assignments on your own. It will be a practice for you as well, and that will ensure that the online class is meaningful and useful for you. Thank you for today.